before some of my recent learnings, I used to wonder, because I have mild asthma, why it felt like I could breathe better when I was out in the woods. Like I said, recently I've learned some technicalities, and well, not even technicalities, but just legit explanations for it. But literally just is more oxygen, because in the inner cities there's more CO2 from a combination of less trees and phytoncides, and so there's less oxygen, but also, like I said, a mixture, because there's people, us humans, breathing in the oxygen and then turning it into CO2, and it's pretty interesting. So not only is there just less people, which is a nice added bonus, but being as I have mild asthma from, again, a combination of hereditary plus smoking weed for years, and smoked cigarettes for about 6 years too. Even smoked pipe tobacco and shit for a while when I was younger, and which was horrible. So at least when I smoked weed, most of the time it was homegrown and good shit, not a lot of the pesticide filled store-bought shit that's around nowadays, which really isn't good for anybody. But yeah, I love being out here when I'm fishing or hunting, just in the outdoors, period. Like I say, even just walking. Don't have to just be fishing or hunting. But there's a hen. She's probably nested in here. Just walked up on a hen turkey. A nice little thicket here. It's probably her nesting area. But yeah, it's nice to breathe fully. And yeah, that's my interesting thing for the day. Hope y'all having a good day. Catch you later.